The first Instagram ever from space is posted, and of course, it's a selfie. I'm Jen Markham on Buzz 60. Considering how social media savvy NASA is, it's kind of surprising the space Instagram hasn't happened before. I mean, astronauts on the International Space Station have tweeted from space, posted to Pinterest from space, checked in on Foursquare from space, even uploaded epic music videos from space, with many of the highlights reposted by NASA's social media team on Facebook. But NASA astronauts had never Instagrammed from space until now. With the help of zero gravity, American astronaut Stephen Swanson posted this selfie while in the station's 7-window observatory module with the caption, "Back on ISS, life is good." And the view isn't so bad either. Now, lest you think this is a one-and-done social media avenue for NASA, Swanson's on a roll, already posting the second Instagram from space, an image of the Northern Lights while over Europe. So I guess the next question is, when is the first filtered Instagram from space being posted? Yeah, Valencia may do it for the teenagers on the beach, but I think the blue marble looks way better in all its brilliant color. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.